Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and we are going to unbox the OnePlus 60 today. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box.
Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first.
So that's the OnePlus 60 box in front of us. Pretty simple to look at. It's dressed in the same colors as you find other OnePlus boxes. Nothing unusual about it except it's a large box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. You get a feature manual of sorts and it's telling us what the new 60 is all about. Next inside the box is actually the OnePlus 60 box. So in here you get, I'm guessing, it's an accessory package basically. So a suction cup with a sticker on top so you can keep the phone and shoot it basically. For reviewers, we have different things to actually keep the phone stable and shoot it. Also you get is this neat red fiber cloth. We quite love the color red and pretty awesome that OnePlus is putting this in. Also what you can do is turn the box, the actual box that has come for the reviewers, into a sort of a light box and shoot the phone inside. Alright, so that's the actual OnePlus 60 box. This is the retail box that one is gonna get, and it says it's the mirror black version, the 128 GB variant. It comes in three variants basically, 128 GB with 6 gigs of RAM, 128 GB storage with 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 GB storage and 8 gigs of RAM. That's the highest, the upper end model. Right, so pretty decent, and the price on this one is XXXX, as you know, they didn't want to reveal it before the launch, but we all know how much the phone is costing in the market. So let's go ahead and see what are the contents of the actual box. Alright, so that's the first thing out of the box. It's the OnePlus 60, and as the box said, it is in midnight black. It's got dual cameras at the back. I'm just going to turn it on and remove the stickers for you, and in a while we'll bring it back. Let's go ahead and see what else is inside the box. I can see a fingerprint cartoon of sorts made here because OnePlus has actually moved the fingerprint from the back to inside the screen. You just have to press the bottom part of the screen to bring it to life. So the first layer has a couple of things. Let's see what it has. I can see a cover, and there's something else as well here. It's probably the manual and maybe the SIM ejector tool. Right, so that is the SIM ejector tool. Safety information guide. You have a couple of stickers from OnePlus. Never Settle is one of them, and actually the quick start guide from OnePlus. And see what else is there. So a neat looking cover, again in transparent black, and should keep your phone protected from dust as well as those ugly bumps. The next layer has an invitation letter which says word from Pete, OnePlus CEO. It says open here, and yeah, it is actually a letter from Pete, a good touch for all the OnePlus customers. Right, so the final part of the box is the dash charger, the fast charging brick. It's like any other OnePlus charger which you get with the 6 or the earlier version of the OnePlus, and the premium looking red charging cable, of course USB to Type C. And since there is no 3.5mm jack anymore for audio, they've included USB Type C to 3.5mm in case you have those older models of headphones with you. Okay, so those are the contents of the box. Let me just bring back the phone and I'll take you through the features and aesthetics of the phone. So that is the OnePlus 60 smartphone in front of us. Let me just first take you through the aesthetics of the smartphone. It has a 6.41-inch AMOLED display up front with a water drop design, and they've also managed to reduce the chin. The body to screen ratio is now at 86%, so you see less bands, basically bezels around it, as well as less chin and a smaller notch. So the notch only has the camera on top. The speaker grill has been moved to the top part of the smartphone, which is right above the front camera. On the left you get the volume rocker key, and on the right you get the ringer button as well as the power button. At the bottom you will get the speaker grill as well as the USB Type C charging port. On top is the dual SIM card slot, and at the back you get these lovely twin cameras to take all your landscape and other shots. Under that is the dual tone flash with the OnePlus branding just below that. So that makes up for the aesthetics of the smartphone. It's dressed in all black. It's the midnight black color. It's metallic and seems pretty sturdy in the hand. Slightly curved edges, but nothing really sharp. As for the software, it comes with Android P out of the box. So OnePlus is quite happy that they're actually pushing out the Android P updates before anybody else. They were the ones to push it out first after the Google Pixel. Overall, the operating system at the moment looks quite slick. I can't see any lag. It's fast, it's bright, it's nice. You get all the neat features of the Oxygen OS on top of it. You get Android P features as well. So as far as the specifications of the smartphone is concerned, we've already said that this one has a 6.41-inch AMOLED display. The screen resolution is actually 1080 by 2340 pixels. At the back you get twin cameras, 16 MP plus 20 MP. And inside it has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of storage. As far as the battery is concerned, it has been kicked up a notch from 3300 mAh in the previous edition to about 3700 mAh in the OnePlus 60. And like the last version, this is built on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. A couple of neat modes have been added to the OnePlus 60, out of which one is going to trickle down to the OnePlus 6 as well. Is the nightscape mode, which is basically going to help photographers to take better pictures at night. The front camera is powered by a 16 megapixel camera, which you see in the middle on the top, and it carries an aperture size of 2.0. Alright, so let me just tell you a little bit about the price as well. The 6GB plus 28GB version retails for 37,999. The 8 gigs and the 128GB version will retail for 41,999. And the 8GB version with the 256GB storage is retailing for 45,999. At the moment, there are a couple of discounts also running on Amazon, which is an exclusive partner for OnePlus. You will get 2,000 rupees instant bank discount on ICICI and Citibank cards. Alright, so let's go ahead and show you some of those camera shots that we just took. Okay guys, so that was the OnePlus 60. If you did like the video, do share it, do comment, and do tell us what else you would like to see. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.